So let's talk about Samsung's smart glasses for a second, because after months of silence, something finally moved. A new leak suggests Samsung isn't working on just one pair of glasses, but two. According to a report from Galaxy Club, Samsung is developing two models with the model number SM-O200P and SM-O200J. Both are currently expected to launch in the US and South Korea, with no confirmation yet for other markets. That might sound limiting, but it actually lines up with how Samsung handled the Galaxy XR headset, which also launched only in those two regions initially. For a first-gen product like this, a controlled rollout feels very on-brand for Samsung. What's more interesting is how Samsung is categorizing these glasses internally. The Galaxy XR headset sits in the SM-I series, while these glasses belong to an entirely new SM-O lineup. That small detail makes a big point. Samsung doesn't see these glasses as a smaller XR device. They see them as something different altogether. One of the two versions, specifically the P variant, is expected to feature photochromic lenses that automatically adjust to light conditions. Samsung wants these to function as real everyday eyewear glasses. Beyond the lenses though, the differences between the two models aren't clear yet. We don't know if the distinction comes down to frame design, sensors, or feature sets. For now, that part is still open to interpretation. What's clear right now is that there won't be display glasses in 2026, at least based on what we know today. There's no augmented reality screen, no visual overlays, and nothing being projected into your field of view. And sure, if that changes down the line, we'll talk about it, so yeah, maybe hit subscribe just in case. From a hardware perspective, the glasses are expected to include a 12-megapixel camera with autofocus. Along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the glasses will rely on a paired smartphone. That decision likely helps keep the weight around the reported 50 grams while also protecting battery life. This positioning makes the intent obvious. Unlike the Galaxy XR headset, these glasses aren't meant to replace your phone or immerse you in AR. They're designed to work alongside your existing devices. Think quick photo capture, audio features, and possibly lightweight AI interactions without the bulk or complexity of a full display system. Samsung also seems to be aiming at the same crowd that's already interested in smart glasses as fashion accessories, not experimental tech. The company previously teased partnerships with eyewear brands, which reinforces the idea that style and comfort are just as important here as features. If Samsung follows through on this approach, focusing on multiple designs and tight ecosystem integration, these glasses could land in a very practical sweet spot. Especially if Samsung finds ways to offload smarter features to Galaxy phones or watches, the glasses themselves can stay simple while still feeling useful. It may not be flashy, but for a first generation, that might be exactly the right move. And with that, we end this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.